These overseers officers report directly to DIG Langat, and they are indeed untouchable. On March 10, 2025, EPRA, in a letter reference EPRA/PECP/SE/1/CO/PM, declared itself the sole enforcement agency in this sector. However, the vigilante group under DIG Langat and Mr. Mutiso get direct support from one Deputy Director of Surveillance and Enforcement, Major Retired Agostino Uma, who shares crucial intelligence and points of sale for the licensed small-scale traders. I'm aware that on 21st August 2025, the small-scale gas retailers in Kenya, who are over 500,000, wrote to President William Ruto on this matter under letter reference MBN/GAN/97/25. Again on 1st April 2026, under reference MISC/2026, they wrote again to President William Ruto. After these letters, the harassment has more than doubled. Hithato, the pain is more. When Eliud Langat deployed this team to North Rift, Nyanza and Western regions, they forcibly took away gas cylinders and vehicles and put them at the Kakamega police station. When they illegally wanted to prosecute the matter, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution violated reference ODPP/KAK/CAM/1/069, dated 18th October 2025, stated that this operation was carried out without notice to EPRA and therefore improper per Section 11E of the Energy Act 2019.